सर मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ। सर मुझे इंग्लिश आती है मगर बोल नहीं पाता हूँ। सर मैं इंग्लिश में कैसे प्रैक्टिस करूँ?
Oh, you don't know how to speak English? Why don't you watch my practice video? If you watch my videos, you will be fluent in English within 2 or 3 months. Go and watch my videos.
ठीक है सर, अब मैं तुम्हारी वीडियो देखूंगा।
Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Vlog. Guys, if you don't know how to speak English and you feel tired while speaking English, while practicing in English, so don't do anything. Today I am with you. I am going to tell you how you can practice in English and how can you speak English fluently. So you don't have to do anything. You don't need any teacher. You don't need any environment. You don't need any partner to speak. Today I am going to tell you some technique using which you can become fluent in English. So let's start. So today I am going to speak fast. So you have to understand me carefully. So let's start. So first I am going to tell you my daily routine, and after that I will ask question and reply. After that I will tell any third person daily routine and I will ask question and reply, and then a story, and in this story I will ask question and I will ask question and reply, so that I can practice more and more and I can become fluent in English. This is tongue twist guide. If you do this, nobody can stop you to learn English. So let's start. So first thing first, I am going to tell you my daily routine. So my name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So my name is Gyanan. Usually I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get fresh, then I go to nearby park to take exercise. After that I come back home. Having reached home, I take shower, take breakfast, get dressed, and go to school. In the school I study for some time. Then I come back home. Having reached home, I take a rest for some time. After that I go to graze buffalo, and I keep on grazing buffalo for 2 to 3 hours, and around 6 p.m. I come back home. Then I use my mobile for some time, and around 9:30 I take dinner, go to bed and sleep. Guys, this is my daily routine. Now I'm going to ask question and reply by myself, so that I can become habitual to speak in English. Let's start. So Gyanen, at what time do you get up in the morning? Well, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so at what time do you take breakfast? I take breakfast around 7:30. Okay, do you go to park? Yes, I go to park. With whom do you go to park? I go to park alone. Why do you go to park? I go to park to take a exercise. Oh, that's great. Oh, so at what time do you go to school? I go to school around 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, great. So how long do you study in the school? I study for 3 hours in the school. Oh, after that, what do you do? After that, I come back home. Having reached home, what do you do? Having reached home, I just take a rest for some time. And I have heard that you go to Grace Buffalo. Yes, I go to Grace Buffalo. At what time do you go to Grace Buffalo? I go to Grace Buffalo around 3 p.m. Okay, so how long do you Grace Buffalo? I graze buffaloes for 2 or 3 hours. At what time do you come back home from grazing buffaloes? Well, I come back home around 6 p.m. What do you do after that? After that, I use my mobile for some time, and I just learn something through the social media. Okay, at what time do you take dinner? Around 9 or 9:30 I take dinner. Okay, after taking dinner, what do you do? After taking dinner, I go to bed and I sleep. So guys, this is my daily routine. Now let's get start any third person daily routine. Okay, so my friend's name is Subham. He gets up early in the morning, he gets fresh, then he goes to nearby park to take exercise. After that he comes back home, and then he takes breakfast, and after taking breakfast he goes to his farm and works for some time. And after that he comes back home, he takes shower, takes lunch, and takes a siesta for some time, and then he goes to graze buffaloes, and he keeps on grazing buffaloes for some time. Around 6 p.m. he comes back home, then he studies for some time, then he spends some time for with his family members, and around 8:30 he takes dinner, goes to bed and sleeps. Guys, this is my friend's daily routine. Now I'm going to ask question and reply, so that I can practice more and more and more. So let's start. Hey Gyanen, what is your friend's name? My friend's name is Subham. Okay, what does he do? He is a farmer. Okay, how old is he? He is 24 years old. Okay, so at what time does he get up in the morning? He gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, what does he do after that? After that he goes to farm. Okay, why does he go to farm? He goes to farm because he is a farmer. Okay, how long does he work in the farm? He works for 2 to 3 hours in the farm. After that, what does he do? After that, he comes back home, takes shower, takes shower and takes lunch. After taking lunch, what does he do? After taking lunch, he takes a siesta for some time, and then he goes to graze buffaloes. How many buffaloes does he have? He has 2 buffaloes. Oh, that's great. So how long does he graze buffaloes? He grazes buffaloes for like for 2 to 3 hours. Oh, that's great. At what time does he come back home? He comes back home 6 p.m. What does he do after that? After that, he spends some time with his family member around. Okay, so what about dinner? At what time does he take dinner? He takes dinner around 9:30. After taking dinner, what does he do? After taking dinner, finally he goes to bed and sleeps. So guys, this is my friend's daily routine. Now I am going to tell you a story so that I can practice in story. So yesterday I got up early in the morning, got fresh, then I was given breakfast. I took breakfast. After taking breakfast, I called my friend and I asked my friend, hey, where are you? He said to me, I am at home. Then I called my friend and my friend came and we both watched a horror movie. After that, we both went to nearby market. From there, we had some food, and after that, we came back to their respective home. Having reached home, I took shower, and after that, my mom asked me to have lunch, but I didn't have lunch. And after that, like I took a rest for some time. Then I went to graze buffaloes, and I kept on grazing buffaloes for some time. And around 6 p.m., I came back home. Having reached home, I just watched. I watched a horror movie, and I can't tell you the name, but I watched for half an hour. And after that, around 9:30, I took dinner, went to bed, and slept. So guys, this is my story. Now I'm going to ask question and reply so that I can practice more and more. Okay, so Gyanen, at what time did you get up in the morning yesterday? Yesterday I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so what did you do after that? After that I took breakfast. Who made breakfast? Of course my mom made breakfast. So what did you have in breakfast? I had like some biscuits along with tea. Oh great. So why did you call your friend? I called my friend because I was feeling bored at my home. Okay, so did your friend come to your home? Yes, my friend came to my home. Okay, so tell me the name of your friends. My friend's name is Shubham. Okay, what does he do? He is a student. Oh, great. So what did you do when your friend came to your home? We watched a horror movie, a Hollywood movie. So how long did you watch? I watched like half an hour. And after that, what did you do? After that, we both went to nearby market. Why did you go to market? Because like we wanted to have something, so that is why we went to market. So what did you have in the market? We had some fast food. After that, what did you do? After that, we came back to our respective home. Then I just took a rest for some time, and around like 3 p.m. I went to graze buffaloes. Okay, so how long did you graze buffalo? I grazed buffaloes for 2 or 3 hours. Then I came back to home, and around 9:30 I took dinner, went to bed, and slept. So guys, this is real practice, guys. If you think that yes, I want to become fluent English, I want to become fluent English, but you just learn, you just waste your time, you just watch so many videos, but you are not improving. Why? The reason is you don't speak every day. So when you start speaking like this, of course you will be able to speak, you will get habit to speak. I'm telling you guys, this is real. You have to do hard work a little bit, otherwise you it's really very difficult to become fluent English. Guys, do this. I'm telling you, you will become fluent English soon. So thank you so much, guys. If you believe in me, please subscribe my channel and help me. I will make you fluent in English, guys. Thank you so much. If I can speak English by myself, if I can learn English by myself, so you can also become fluent in English. This is really very easy. Just don't do anything, you just start speaking, guys, and I will make so many videos like this so that you can practice like this. So thank you so much.
सर मैं तुम्हारी वीडियो देखकर इंग्लिश बोलना सीख गया हूँ सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. सर मैं तुम्हारे वीडियो अरे यार चलो. सर मैं तुम्हारी वीडियो देखकर इंग्लिश बोलना सीख गया हूँ सर. बहुत दुखी हूँ सर, मुझे इंग्लिश आती है मगर बोल नहीं पाता हूँ सर. मैं इंग्लिश